And really quickly, I'll just show myself reinstalling this.
Oh crap.
What?
What is DAT 8 and DAT 89?
Dat 8 is MISC and Dat 89 is Battlefield. So you go over to, your folder with the thing, then you copy that and paste it into your root SF29B folder, and it should copy the data over into your data folder over here. And that'll replace your vanilla dat8.ssf and your vanilla dat89.ssf, which will install the mod. Then to run the mod, you drag over this sf2.swf over to 20xx.exe. If you don't have the 20xx build, then what's wrong with you?
Okay, that's one way of saying it.
It's not incorrect.
I mean, what if you just have your own personal mod pack? Like, what if you're using Divine Beta?
Yo, doesn't Divine Beta have a custom booter? Because that works too. It works for anything that you use SWF to exe to make the exe for.
Mine doesn't use a booter file, it's actually just an exe.
Oh. Shit. I'm gonna turn down my quality settings because I forgot that 9B lags like hell.
Not if you're using the IDK version.
Fair enough. Alright, let me test how smoothly this runs. Oh. Okay, so right off the bat, Lex modded the CSS to be just merchant port and nothing else.
Oh, the stage select?
Yeah.
Oh. Huh. So I'm not. So my copy is a little different. So I don't have the thing that changes the stage select. But I still have the stage itself, which I think is the main appeal of it. Because I'm gonna be honest, like personally, I'm not one that cares about stage select modifications unless they like aesthetically change it significantly, rather than functionally, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
I really like the way this looks. I am not the biggest fan of Rivals anymore, but I really did love the sprite work. So
really definitely.
Glad that they captured that same feel here. And the cool thing about it is if you go up here and you sit still, you see that the clouds are animated and they move by in the background.
I'm trying to figure out if this is just me, but it looks... Oh yeah, I don't think it's just me. One bad thing about it is the background clearly has like JPEG artifacts. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Like if I which is really strange because the reflection doesn't have that issue.
Yeah, I think the reflection is, different sprite.
Really? Oh yeah, it might be.
Yo, hold on. So something I'm curious about is the water and the way it moves. Like, how do you think he did it? Do you think he got like a slightly transparent white sort of sprite thing that loops and overlaid it over the background? Because like, if you look closely at the reflection of the town, it even overlaps over it.
Well, I just think that the reflection of the town is on a layer higher than the water. I mean, that's what makes most sense to me, and that's like really easy to do.
Yeah, true.
So that would be modifying the depth in JPEGs, and then just changing the layer in Animate.
I know, it's weird though. It's weird because, like, whenever the white goes over, whenever the white parts of the water go over the fucking, the background, it changes the hue of it. I know how he did that.
I think that's because the white is actually it has an alpha channel. So the color passes through and that affects whatever is underneath it.
Well, yeah, but like...
It's like running a filter over the
If
scene.
anything, that should have just made it brighter. How did it make it more red?
How would I know? All I know is that the main aspect of the stage being the layout and stuff, I actually really like this.
Oh, yeah,
I wouldn't
definitely.
mind something like this being in like beta. Because I think it's completely legal. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, this is completely legal. No doubt about it.
Okay, let me check out the music. I hope you don't mind that.
Oh, yeah, the music is same as in Rivals.
Alright, I don't have my music.
He got the loop perfect, which takes a lot of work.
Yeah, either a lot of work or a lot of luck, if I'm gonna be honest. Also,
No, like in his devlog, he actually here we are, here, devlog. He mentions that he spent a while getting the stuff exactly right. Yeah, working with an error with the music, trying to get the perfect loop. And it took him like a full day to finally get the perfect loop.
I wish he had known about BGM templates. So here's what I'll say for the future: if you want a really simple way of figuring out the loop, open your song in Audacity, and you just trim it to you cut off the end wherever you want the loop point to be. And then in SSF2, you set the loop point, or the music loop value to wherever you want the song to jump to once it's reached the end of the file. And once you get those two synced up, it's pretty much easy from there.
Yeah.
Just listen to it in game. Yeah, this sounds really good.
Indeed.
It sounds really natural too. Like I can't tell when it's looping.
Yeah.
So what's the hazard? I haven't been able to activate it. Do I have to be in Smash mode?
Wait. You haven't been able to activate it? Are you... Wait, it might be because you're not running the booter file.
Oh, shoot. I forgot to do that.
Yeah.
I just double-clicked on SSF2.exe. Oh, wait. Okay, so if I had done that in the first place, I would have realized that the game doesn't load if I do that because it's based on... Okay, let me make a quick modification to this video.
Oh, wait, so... You know,
it's only for myself.
That's actually, interesting. So, if the hazard isn't, you know, programmed into the game, it just won't activate. Oof. Wait, yeah, once you boot up the thing, with the custom booter, you'll see the stage select changes as well.
Okay.
Wait, so if I click random... Oh wow, it even changes... I think it just removes all the stages in the booter.
Alright, I got it. I'm pretty sure I got it up and running, so...
Alright, cool.
Oh shoot, yeah, it works.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, it's... Okay. That's really cool. That is cool.
Yeah!
Okay.
That's why he needed the booter, because he added the hazard.
Yo, the water! What?
Wait.
Does that do something?
Water?
Dude, did you see what I did?
Oh, hold on. I need to play with fucking hazards. Okay.
Look.
I'm gonna move your I'm gonna move Discord over to my other monitor. All right. Show the viewers what's going on with the water.
Let me Okay, this will have to work.
Yo.
I just need Sonic to. Hold on. That might work. No! I need it to move up.
Yo, it has a custom twinkle effect too.
Yeah, I noticed that. Let me just use chase mode. Okay. Now these items, I'm just gonna put them right there. I'm gonna set them to like 50%, just because I want to know if this like does something.
Alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick!
Ah, shit. That is nice. I like that.
Yeah.
So they have...
I don't even mind the background anymore. This is really nice.
Alright,
So
I'm gonna turn on hazards to play with it.
Yeah, let me turn off hazards to see if that's what the hazard's supposed to be.
Yeah,
that's probably what it is.
It is. So forget my thing. Water wheel doesn't
dude,
not spin. What?
He did it perfectly. So when the hazards are off, you never even see the tank fill.
Yo. So
dude, this is so much better now that I got it fixed.
So thinking about it, how do you reckon that worked? Do you think he made a variable in the stages update method that just updates the stages tank every frame if hazards are enabled?
Well, yeah, I don't think there's another way to do it. That's like, well, there probably is, but that's probably like the best way to do it.
Damn, GG with this.
In this competition, are we allowed to like look at the mods and like look inside the mods?
Oh hell yeah!
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do right now then, because okay, data.
Little bitty problem with the thing is that the meter is kind of janky with the camera, but that's probably a 9B engine problem more than anything.
Right.
Oh
Camera
shit! The water kills.
Yeah, it does.
Like it just killed Samus at 110.
Dude, that's pretty top. This is gonna be a hard act to follow. This is a really good stage, and I actually
like
very
only
rarely
problem
do
was the background.
Right, but now that I think about it, it's not too bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not really that distracting.
Exactly.
So I have the scripts open. Let's see. Stage battlefield. Let's see. Edit with notepad. Okay, probably have to go inside. Battlefield _ windmill center 39. And then main timeline.as. This is probably where it is. No, it's not there.
So you know what? I'm a little curious too. I'm gonna export it with AS Sorcerer.
Yeah, I'm looking. That's what I'm looking at right now. Here, let me. Hold on. Let me stop streaming that and share my screen.
All right.
Yeah, I'm looking through it right now. I don't think. Well, actually, you don't even need to export it. You could just look at it from ASU Sorcerer.
Yeah, but yeah, you're right. I'm gonna just. Oh wait, no. Screw that up. There we go.
Huh. I kind of want to make an FLA of this, but that's going too far, I think.
Nothing is going too far.
I really just want to see this. There's like barely anything here. I really... Oh, you know what? The hazard's probably kept in the engine.
Oh, you're right.
It's 9B.
Ah.
So let me close that, and I need to
Oh, also, if you notice, he actually uses the 9B IDK because of the FPS counter changes.
I'm sorry.
The
Oh
FPS
well,
counter,
I
the
couldn't tell the
font
difference.
changed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or he might not have. Or he could have just made an FLA. Wait. Oh wait, no, because I was the only person to do that, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, that makes sense. That's pretty cool.
All right. So I've got the SWF pulled up in AS3 Sorcerer. I'm gonna check out the hazards. Here we are, Battlefield hazard.
Wait, what? You found it?
Oh yeah, it was easy. So it says spawn enemy BG. Whoa, dude, he made it an actual fucking enemy.
Hold on. What
This is so
script is
fucking.
that?
Here, I'm gonna share my
Is it
screen.
Battlefield underscore FLA?
Uh, no, just it's com.mcleodgaming.sf2.hazards. Battlefield
Oh,
hazard.
you're in the engine, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm in the engine. I'm
Okay.
doing the one thing I know how to do.
Okay, I'll stop it then.
Here, I'll share my screen with you. Let's see. Screen one. Here we go. Alright. You see everything alright?
Yeah.
Not too small or anything?
Okay, let me just.
But yeah, if you look here, he actually spawns an enemy. That's fucking crazy. He made an entire enemy for this shit. That's really well done.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
really good practice. Above and beyond type shit.
right. Like that's stuff I can't do.
Exactly. Bro, this is fucking crazy.
Not to mention this is 9B, and I hate
Exactly.
to bring that up. Like I know that like I probably shouldn't bring that up and saying like, oh well, it's more
Okay,
impressive
to
because
be
it's
fair,
9B,
it's like,
but it's harder to do in 9B.
well, I wouldn't even say it's harder to do in 9B. I just don't know how to do it in 9B or beta really. I just find beta easier to work with.
Understand? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
easier to work with, and there's less limitations. I feel
Yeah.
in 9B you have to like come up with workarounds to mod certain things. And it's like making enemies in 9B in 2020. That's
Main.get enemy
crazy.
attack data. Holy
Like it's,
shit. He added a fucking main.get enemy attack data thing to this.
oh, that's what MISC is for. I think that's part of it.
Here, you know what? I'm going to actually just export this because this is too goddamn sick. So,
What are you trying to do? You're like exporting. You're making an FLA of it.
no, I'm just trying to export the AS3 sorcerer scripts.
Oh, I already actually have a zip of that.
Oh, bet.
You need.
Goddamn motherfucking AS3 sorcerer fucking. Here we are.
Oh, wait. Are you waiting on me?
No, I just did it. Of the engine,
Okay.
I mean. Alright, so. What I'm gonna do is. Alright. I'm gonna open. That. I'm gonna open. Let's see, enemies. Yeah, let's
Uber stars on
Right.
mod and SSF2 official, and he
Yeah.
was gonna post his Rayman changes, but then he realized he'll get banned.
Aw, come on, fucking pussy. What a coward.
He would just lose his
Right.
mod and get destroyed.
Holy crap, so like, this dude fucking really did add shit to, like, MISC and everything.
Right.
So now I gotta look at MISC as well. Alright, Dat 8. Man, I remember Dad 8 modding back when it was just called Dad 8 modding.
I
That
remember
shit was so
Dat
good.
87 modding.
What Dad 87 modding?
Or Dat 62, Sonic and Sora.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, for me it was always just Dad 8, cause like, fuck man, you gotta have those costumes.
Right, absolutely.
Especially like that.
Submit something for your contest.
Oh, me
Actually,
too, dude.
I think that he should submit his trades.
Yo.
Like, I don't know if there's
Yo.
any easy way to like for him to just like post that, but we could just like he could just give us like a work in progress version of Project B with trades, and then we just like play it and see how it feels.
Yo. That would be so fucking amazing.
Yeah, that would be a good thing.
Mm-hmm. Right, main timeline. That's what people edited back in the day. All right. So over in MISC, in the main timeline shit, there's the get enemy attack data function. They actually modded that function to add the battlefield water thing.
That's really cool.
Yeah. And it seems like they based it off of, Thwomp and stuff. I wonder why he made the refresh rate 39, though. It's such an oddly specific number.
Probably so that it can't hit more than once a second.
Yeah, but, like, even then, you could have just, like... I think it's an Easter egg or something. Maybe he just thought of a random number, right? But, like... Personally, my theory is, this is a special number somehow.
Luca 39.
But Luca 49.
No, it's actually Luca 45.
Oh. See, I hate you. You made me say dumbass shit. GG. Right, so we've got... So he modded, fucking MISC and the engine to add the water as an enemy so that he could have it as a hazard and have the code be literally just perfect. And the dude even just fine-tuned the placements. If you look in the Battlefield Hazard.as script in the engine, he has fucking decimal places in the exact placement of it. I mean, this dude wasn't fucking around.
Right, it's incredibly impressive. Like I'm gonna be honest. Like I didn't really expect much from the contest. I just felt like maybe not a lot of people would really like come out and try to do anything special for it. Like,
yeah,
I
same.
Just submit like their average stuff, but like this guy went above and beyond for something that's arguably not really
hype.
big. Yeah, it's something hype, but it's really not
yeah.
that big yet. But I'm hoping that this encourages other people to really try and put out like some of their best work.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Currently, the mod is unlisted. Lex says he plans on including it in a mini mod pack in the future. When he does, I encourage anyone who gets their hands on it to take a look at his code and to figure out what he did and just, like... Oh shit, hold up, I just realized. So, the reason why, like, the water effects move around and stuff with the camera is because they move around the same way all interactive sprites move around, because they're enemy objects.
Oh, so you know what, then...
They're not just part of the stage, they're just... Oh my god, this is... That makes sense. It's crazy. Yeah. Instead of doing anything like an update method on the stage, like any
Which-
normal person would have done. This dude went
He pulled a
into
9B.
the engine.
He pulled a 9B.
He pulled a 9B. This dude went into the engine to make this. This dude is amazing. But there's just one last thing that I'm confused about. Because when you didn't boot it up from the booter, your wheel didn't rotate, right?
Correct, because it doesn't have the hazard.
Okay,
Like, it doesn't have the stage programming.
But it should have the stage programming. Because, well, it doesn't say that.
It's a little confusing, but I think that
It doesn't even mention the thing rotating anywhere in this code. Legit, it's not here.
well,
It has to be in the Battlefield
Well,
file.
once we're off the recording, I could run a debug to see exactly what happens when it doesn't move. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
maybe there's some sort of error that prevents it from doing that, and it's related. But we don't have a way of knowing that unless we have the source files.
Fuck you mean, unless we have the source files?
We don't
can
have the
make our
source
own.
file. We can make our own, but I just don't feel like doing that right now.
I'm doing that right now. As we speak, I'm taking it out. Oh, wait, I think it's because of platforms. Like, in the engine. It's the goddamn platforms.
Wait, what?
Because he added new platforms to Battlefield.
Oh, yeah, probably.
So that's why. Because if you don't boot it up with the new SWF, it doesn't have those platforms. That makes so much sense. Damn.
Right, and that's something that I don't think it works like that in beta, does it? I think all of the stage coding is actually handled within the stage file itself.
Oh, yeah. That's why it, thought nothing of it.
Right.
Yo, hold up.
Right, like
This dude did something genius.
I think that I would say that this is comparable to what a developer would do during the 9B era when they're adding a stage. This is basically a brand new stage.
It is.
Like,
it exactly is.
It is
But-
a new stage with completely new features, hazards, music, assets, everything. It is the definition of an expansion stage. It is just another SSF2 stage.
Yep.
And to say that it's that close to being official, in fact, it pretty much, it basically isn't official.
Mm-hmm.
It's an official add-on, in a way. Because that's the level of quality that we're looking at here. He did everything that you would have to do to almost add a new stage. The only thing that's missing is that it's actually over a stage rather than it being its own slot. Which is okay, because that wasn't the point.
So, wanna know something absolutely crazy?
What?
Alright, so, I'm sharing my screen. So, over here, in rotating platform, he actually made a new class to extend moving platform as a base for his other platforms, just so he could have them arbitrarily just sort of exist. He used inheritance really fucking well.
Yeah, that it
just
is really
just
smart.
from an object-oriented programming perspective, so few people do this, and this just makes me happy. His Battlefield platforms, they don't extend goddamn fucking moving platform. Fuck that. They extend rotating platform. And rotating platform extends moving platform, except has extra code to make it rotate. God, this is just so clever and I love it.
Pretty good Discarga.
Very good Discarga. This could very well win the content, like the stage category, at least.